And then there were vegetables. Beans.
All rise for the Honorable C. Ralph Bevan III, presiding.
Please be seated. Thank you, Bailiff. Today we will be hearing the case of the state of Wisconsin versus Henley. Where is your attorney, Mr. Henley?
Your Honor.
Whoa!
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Please excuse my tardiness and bench jump overingness.
Dude, you should kill us. Not cool.
This is my lawyer.
What kind of
I'm
lawyer
a
is he?
ninja. I'm a
It
ninja
doesn't
lawyer.
matter. What kind of lawyer?
He's
I told
He's
you.
in
We're on court.
You are excused. Mr. Steinhardt, your opening statement.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Frank Henley is next.
I object.
I object to your objection.
This is slander and libel of my client.
Chad, please speak. Well, this is an opening statement. Thank you.
Proceed.
He has robbed my client's store, held him at gunpoint, threatening him for money. Thankfully, luckily, my client is smart enough to have an IOU, which is evidence we have no specific proof. Right here, Judge.
My client has never seen that note before in his life.
And I suppose he's never seen this then, huh? His coats? Belonging?
This is...
Frank Henley.
I object! Your Honor, this is an opening statement. We cannot present evidence in an opening statement.
Find it! Well, let's
Look
come
at
up with
back.
this
There
suit.
is no evidence.
Use that later. That's a mistake.
Sit down.
I'm going to make my opening statement.
Yes, you may.
I object to your opening statement.
You object to the entire thing that hasn't even come out of my mouth yet.
Yes!
Okay.
Andre.
What am I going to say that will offend you?
We were in
Mr. D!
Mr. D.
Are you sure?
I'll be quiet.
Maybe I think my client is guilty.
I'll be quiet. I'll keep that.
My client is innocent.
Oh, okay.
I object. Don't get object.
Okay, I'm not going to be able to make this. I'm not going to be able to make it through this. My opening statement is simply that he is innocent and that he was busy. He couldn't have committed the crime. He was busy on the day in question. He was visiting his mother.
Excuse me. But according to my sources, this man's mother, Princess Henry, has been dead for 5 years.
She was with me in my heart, though.
Aww, so sweet.
So, my client was totally busy on the day that in question.
Yeah. Busy robbing me?
Can we please be quiet?
No.
My client is innocent.
Fine.
End statement.
Mr. Steinhardt, your first witness.
You go stand, my client. Mr. Drazen! Crack the door from it's Drazen, crack the door with an umlaut over the O.
I object, Your Honor. I really don't think this name thingy is relevant or materially.
Excuse
in
me,
this.
sir. This everybody needs to know his name.
Yeah, but we don't need to know how it's pronounced.
This isn't Judge Judy.
We need to know his name.
Yes. It's Drazen Krakadora with an umlaut over the O. And please call me first.
This is an official court. You don't get called by your first name.
Well, sorry. I will abide by my client's wishes. I think the Drazen is much
You
more
may as well
easily
start
said
calling me
than
Joe.
Okay, Joe.
Please sit down, Joe.
Yes, Joe.
Proceed.
Well, Mr. Drazen, where were you on the day in question? April 18th.
I was in my store.
The go-to shop?
That's the only store. Okay. I was there.
And what did you do in this store? Or what happened in this store?
Well, it was a normal day. Normal people were walking aside.
Excuse me, but there's no texting during the courts.
How could you text while I'm
defending myself and trying to get you thrown in prison. I couldn't do that. Okay, so
I was calling. I was texting my wife.
overrule.
Overrule! What? You can't overrule! We've had no objection!
Come on,
The
next objection shall be overruled.
Okay, so there's no people coming inside the. If you mind, if I use your desk. There's people walking inside the store. And
Sorry,
they're walking
that's me.
There's kids walking.
Hello?
Confiscating
Yeah.
his phone too. Who's confiscating his phone?
It's not answering.
I believe that's the
Answer. Okay. Okay. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, I'm in court right now. I think they want to confiscate my phone. What? I need the phone!
Thank you.
It's a landline! Okay.
Okay, so
Please sit down.
and people were leaving the court casually. And then, a man, a horrendous fucking man.
And who was this man?
Him!
The defendant?
Him!
You have to please be more specific. Our reporter can't take yes or no.
Him!
This guy?
Yes! Him!
And what did this man do in your stuff? Specifically.
Be
Well-
specific.
Isn't that what it
I
is?
think stuff is specific, but if you want me to,
Specifically.
I will be more specific if you need me to. Quit kicking me.
Help me! Mr.
Stop.
Johnson!
Okay, so he picked up a magazine and he flipped through it violently. He threw it down violently as well. Then he picked up some candy. The peeps! The peeps! He took some peeps! Yeah, boy, son. So he took the peeps and he went.
I object to this.
Overruled!
What? You haven't even heard my objection. You can't. He can't have stolen something if he was innocent of stealing.
He was there.
Right.
Overruled!
Okay, so he went to my face and he had a gun. It must have been a 37 caliber gun. And
There is no 37 caliber gun.
I don't know what kind of gun it was, but I know it was a gun. Okay, so then he wanted money. And he scared my pet gecko. Scooter!
Objection! This is immaterial and irrelevant.
Overruled! Mr. Steinhardt?
No further questions.
Okay,
Your
we're
Honor.
stuffing.
No further questions, Your Honor.
I would. This is not working.
The battery.